Hi traders, today I want to showcase the Pepperstone exclusive Figaro Advanced Trader Tools, which have the potential to transform the way in which you trade and give you an edge to take your trading to the next level. These are brought to us by FX Blue, the brains behind the smart trader tools which we all know and love, and I'm going to dive straight into some of my favorites. The first one here, and these are all available under the Figaro app suite, which you can download, and they're segregated by different types. So under market data, the first one that I love is a future event scanner. I love looking at a 4-hourly chart and looking at these markets. These are things that you can sort of change as well based on what you're interested in, and you can add different markets that you like. What it basically tells me is different events to watch out for, and it looks at things such as the moving average, Bollinger Bands, and the trend period, which you can adjust based on your settings. For example, over here, showing us that the euro dollar is close to a death cross, which is a moving average crossover. And if you click on it, it actually brings up a detachable chart for you to visualize exactly that. The next one under market data that I love is the sentiment. The sentiment shows us for the different symbols available, how the clients are trading, essentially the sentiment towards bullish or bearish in various different markets, and you can sort this by long to short or the other way around, and also by currency if you just want to focus on a particular pair. Now, the next one is the currency heat map. Also very appealing visually, very easy to see exactly what it's trying to tell us. Clearly the Kiwi Swiss is performing really well today, and the dollar not so much. Again, like with everything, there is the customization available depending on the markets that you're interested in. But it's a great thing just to open up first thing in the morning or when your trading session starts to sort of see what the markets have done so far for that session. The market scanner does a similar thing, but tells you the more technical data in terms of the RSI, the stochastics, and based on different time frames, which you can play around with as well. Under the calculators, these are things that you would generally find yourself going to a different platform for, and different website or the secure client area, or if maybe you've got a cool Excel sheet that's figuring it out for you. If you use these calculators, you can do it all sort of inclusively within the one platform, so you don't have to jump around too much. The Fibonacci is something that I personally love. Love looking at the retracement levels for some confirmations, but also to see where I want to enter the market or put my stop loss or take profits. If we look at something like Aussie US, for example, we can put in the high price and the low price and the trend, whether it's up or down, and based on that, it will give us the retracement levels, which we can then use to enter our trades or maybe even modify or add our stop loss or take profit. The next calculator I really like is the position size one, which is also inbuilt to the mini terminal one. But if you're trying to look at an appropriate position size based on your risk tolerance, you can select, if you're sort of wanting to risk $200 and you're trading the ASX, or we can change that to Euro USD, for example. And my stop loss is 20 pips, it tells me exactly the lot size, which is appropriate based on that risk tolerance. And the other ones you have here are pip calculators, currency converters, and profit calculators, which you can also use. Make sure with anything, just with any other EAs, you do click auto trading. If you don't click that, then they won't work. So just make sure you click that. Now I'll just move over to the trade management ones as well, and I've actually set it up as a profile, which you can do as well, just through here. So it's actually turned off the auto trading. I'll just click on there and it will just refresh for me. Lovely. The account metrics are fairly simple. Tells you how your account is performing, which is based on my one trade over here. Not doing so well at the moment, but it's a good one just to look at if you like. The quote board will summarize all your trades that you have open and any lot sizes and the net profit you have on those, and you can click on the settings to manage those trades as well. The one that I really love here is the order batch. This is really great, for example, if you want to enter multiple different asset classes, say maybe around a news event or when market opens, or to be honest, if you just want to open a lot of trades in a more efficient manner, I can set it up as sell 0.3 lot. So let's just maybe change that to something simple like 0.1, and I'll have a stop loss of 20 pips and a take profit of 40, or let's make that 60 and save that. Now I've got this multiplier on for Aussie CAD, so I've got a bit more exposure on Aussie CAD compared to the other ones, and with the ASX it is a smaller contract size, so I want a bit more over there as well. And then what I can basically do, say the news event comes out and I want to enter all of these trades which I've prepared earlier, I click execute batch, and let's watch the magic happen. Straight away all these trades have been placed for me in quite literally a second, and the stop loss and take profits have been adjusted according to those relevant markets. Under the quote board, you'll see that the trades have popped up over here for me as well if I do want to do a bulk management of them. And lastly, there is the trading action. It's similar to trading off the chart, but what it also allows you to do is bulk manage the trades that you have open. So for example, what I can do is close all. There are a couple in here that are profitable, a couple not. So I can just close all the losing trades. Let's close one of them there and another one. And if I close all the winning trades, it will close the rest for me there. So if you're looking to take your trading to the next level and you want to be able to trade inclusively through the platform, making yourself not only more efficient, but also more accurate in terms of live updated market scanners and trading options available, look no further than the Figaro Advanced Trader Tools.